31 to an 18. Lee Newmeyer, 18 on the tree, dead 4.
What year did he say? 2001? Or 2004? Pomona winner. Mark Griffith. Oh, that wasn't good. That was more like a donkey. Yeah. Oh, no. Newmeyer, 15, takes 6.
When you're trying to put the casters on, all you do is simply take the pin out, place the end of the casters on each side of the column below this metal rod. There's a hole here in the frame, you just simply put this up, place the pin right through here. On the other side, put the cotter pin on. Get those on all 4 corners, and when you lower the lift back down, how it works is, it kind of works the big lever, hooks underneath this, and the weight of the lift actually lifts this column just barely off the ground. And that allows you to easily push the lift around with one person. So bring the lift down here, we're gonna unlock the lock. Bring it down slowly. It's just engaging the pin right now.
So here we go, Daniolo and Newmeyer. 3 down, separate them. It's nasty up front. Top end light goes to Lee Newmeyer. 5 total, 5 dead, 0. Take 8 down.
Aaron Allison out of Ohio in the left side. Mitch Truman, the Camaro in the right side. It's a C automatic against a B stick. How about Aaron? His stick shifted his way to the final round down here. That's that red MSD machine. And Mitch Truman. There's the handicap, the silver car, flying the front end. Aaron Allison dumps the clutch, works his way through the gearbox. Mitch, Aaron, Mitch, finish line stripe, watch the W light up, and it's gonna go over there on the left side, the summit board. 10.27.8 on a 10.27. How about a 008, dead on 8? You want some of this? Come and get it. Mitch didn't have anything for that 16 thousandths of a second package. Guess what? Another first-time winner on the National Event.
electricity.
So we got our race direct 9,000 pound base plate lift here. Go over a couple of the differences and some of the different lift styles. In this case here, the base plate lift has a what they call a symmetric arm, which means the front and the rear arms are the same length. So the vehicle is going to be pretty much centered half in front, half behind the lift. In the case of an overhead lift that typically have asymmetric arms, you'll see a shorter front arm and longer rear arm. Those allow you to position the vehicle further back. Typically you've got about a third of the vehicle length in front of the post on those and about 2/3 behind it. With a base plate lift, because they have that symmetric style arm, the reason for that is on an asymmetric arm lift, like an overhead one, they typically have like an angle to them and the arm can swing all the way to the rear. Because in a base plate lift, you've got the base plate across the floor, that prohibits you from having a true asymmetric arm. They can swing over center to the back. So you'll typically see that any base plate lift is going to be a symmetric arm format. There's some different variations. Some have a 3-stage arm. In this case here, we have a 2-stage front and rear arm. And you see we've got the vehicle pretty much centered 50-50 front and behind. Obviously, anytime you're going to be working on things, if you're going to be removing a large amount of weight, engine, rear end, things like that, you always make sure things are properly stabilized, but typically about half in front and half behind. We're showing an instance here where we've got the tall stackable adapters, the short stackable adapters, and the screw pad adjusted all the way up. So in the case of this lift, you get a 4-inch tall pad, 1 3/8 on the small one, another 1.5 inch adjustment here. So you got a total of 6 7/8 of an inch of total additional height that you can add to that with, as long as you have a ground clearance to be able to fit that arm underneath in that instance. We've got a Model A here, plenty of ground clearance. Trucks, SUVs be the same kind of thing. This is especially helpful if you got like a truck that has any kind of step bars or something like that to get in, running boards. You know, this allows you to reach the frame, but still have your running boards with things here without crushing them as well.
Gets it done. 12 dead 2, 14 total. Glenn is 003 at the tree and 19 above and comes up 8 thou short.
Tim out there with Lee. I've known Lee a long time, man. He's a good old drag racer. Been doing it a long time. And Josh Pickett's been doing it a long time too. And here comes Newmeyer, 6th out to work with. How about 6, dead 7, take 1. Josh Pickett is 13, dead 1, no good.
as Aaron Allison turns on the final win light tonight for the Mickey Thompson $20,000 to win. Stock, super stock, Southern.
Downing right side of the racetrack, Aaron Allison. Factory stock J car, the Cobra's in on the right side. Aaron Allison, the 85 Camaro. Over here on the left side of the racetrack, down 1090. Chip Cakel, Aaron Allison. Allison, left side, the third gen Camaro. Right side, that 70 Cutlass 442 of Jim Cakel. We are in stock, and they're dialed within 100th of each other. They're a little bit more than that apart on the starting line. The win light comes on for Aaron Allison. Goes dead on with a 4. Aaron Allison going to be dialed 1090. Let's see how close Allison has that car to. 1090 is what we're looking on the board for. 1094.4. Half of the semifinals coming at you right now, and it is Scott Klingler out of Ortonville, Michigan, in the VP Racing Camaro on the right side of the racetrack. Tough customer here on the left side, Aaron Allison. 85 Camaro, going to be dialed 1096. So 9/10 of a second head start for Allison on the left side. Klingler leaves too soon. Pretty big red there for Klingler. Aaron Allison moving on to the finals.
Harold Thompson Jr. in the far lane. Aaron Allison with the 85 Camaro in the near lane. Great wheel spin there out of Thompson Jr. Go to the 2 reaction times to the winner here. It is going to be Aaron Allison. 029 line, nicely done. 1098 on the 1096. Double 03 to 006. It's nasty up front. It's better down there. 3 foul between them at the starting line. Lee Newmeyer, 003, 1 above 1. Joey Schiff is 006, 1 above 0. Margin of victory, 21-10 foul.